What's up, guys? In today's video, I believe, let me check my fancy Apple Watch. Oh yeah, we are going to be talking about droning in Asia. And we're back. Cool. So topic today, right, is droning in Asia. Can you do it here? Yes or no? Well, it depends on every country we're in. Yeah. So let's take a look. It's just like back home now. In the US, a drone over 250 grams, you have to register with the FAA. So if you have the new DJI Mavic Mini, you do not, 249 grams. If you have a DJI Mavic Pro, you will have to register, right? Cool. Our first country up is Thailand, okay? Thailand, I have been to plenty of times, yeah, and I've taken my drone along with me most of those times. One of the easiest countries to do so, yeah. And just keep in mind, yeah, for any country you go to with a drone, if you think you shouldn't fly it in a certain location, then don't do it, yeah? You should not fly within 4 miles of an airport, around any religious sites, or around any government buildings. Everything else, yeah, it's pretty much open to it, yeah? Cool. If I go to Google, and we are just going to type in Thailand drone laws, enter. Look for uavcoach.com right there at the top, and we're going to click that. And here's some regulations according to the website. Yeah, so according to Thailand's National Aviation Authority, flying a drone in Thailand is legal. Yeah, we're going to scroll down. General rules for flying a drone in Thailand. Yeah, so all drones must be registered if they have a camera, which isn't exactly true. Yeah, it all depends. Yeah, but it's not true. You don't have to register your drone before you go. Just be aware of where you're flying it and you're gonna be fine. Next up is Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia is awesome because there is no drone laws at all. Yeah, you can take it out wherever you want, including downtown Kuala Lumpur, okay, which is the largest city in the country of Malaysia. Yeah, just be aware, right? So back to Google. General rules for flying a drone in Malaysia, according to UAV Coach. Keep away from airspace. Yeah, that's about it. Keep away from airspace, any religious sites, anything like that. Don't do it. And now we are on to Vietnam. Okay. To start out Vietnam, I want to look at Google first because it's not accurate. Yeah. If we look at drone laws in Vietnam, according to Vietnam's National Aviation Authority, it is legal. Scroll down a bit more. A unique flight license is required for every drone flight conducted in Vietnam. applications must be submitted at least 14 days before planned date of the flight. No. You've seen it in my videos. You've seen it in all your other travel videos. Yeah, you've seen us take drones out and get awesome shots, Halong Bay, Hajiang, anywhere else around the country. But droning in Vietnam, no, it is not legal at all. Yeah, you need correct permits for it, as put online here. Yeah, I emailed the Vietnam Department of Defense and their Department of Transportation 3 times each. I didn't hear anything back. Yeah, you cannot do it. If you are seen droning in Vietnam, you will get a hefty fine and your drone will be taken. Okay? At the airports, if you don't have a permit and immigration finds it, your drone will be taken. Yeah? So don't bring it. Yeah, it's easy to bring, you can, it's just you're taking a chance of it getting taken. Yeah. And so I haven't heard of many cases of it getting taken. If it's found, it is going to be taken from you though. Only way to get it back is to pick it up at the airport when you leave the country. So, kind of a pain, yeah? Just be careful. Next up, we have Myanmar. According to Myanmar, you are supposed to have a permit, but you do not need one. You will not be checked at the border. You won't be checked at the airport for it. Even if you're out flying it around, as long as you're not over an army base, a government building, a religious site, you're fine. Yeah, it's easy. Everyone's just curious. Everyone's wondering, what is that? Can I see it? Yeah, but you're not gonna have any problems with that. Okay, so Myanmar, quite easy. Look according to Google on UAV Systems International. All right, we're gonna click that if it loads. And just be aware, right? Drone laws are always changing, so you have to keep updated on them. It says permit needed for recreational drone use, but that's not the case. I've never had any problems with that. Yeah. Moving on, Laos. Taking a drone to Laos, right? Yeah, it can be done. Okay, a little bit harder than the other countries, but it's not so bad. You need a permit, yeah, hands down. You need a permit, okay? You can get across without it, but it's easy to get a permit, and there is no test for it. Yeah. If we go on Google, I love Google, right? Laos drone laws, find UAV Systems International, click it, and we're gonna scroll down. Yeah, scroll, right there. It is required for recreational drone use, but that's okay. Scroll down and click here. Takes you to a page. I can get a letter of authorization for $60 US to be able to fly my drone for 1 month in Laos. I would rather spend $60 than lose my $1,200 drone. Yeah, it's not fun. So just get a permit if it's allowed, if you can. Yeah. Last country up is Cambodia. Yeah. There are no drone laws in Cambodia, except for 3. Number 1, do not fly in the capital city of Phnom Penh. No. Number 2, do not fly in Angkor Park. That means Angkor Wat. I know you want to, okay? It's a heritage site, it's beautiful, it's massive, but do not fly in Angkor. You will get your drone taken, you will get heavily fined. Avoid that at all costs.